a captivating turn of events in Koboko, Uganda, a mysterious woman, possibly a local sorceress, orchestrated a unique apprehension of a suspected robber. A viral video showcases the woman, resolute and unflinching, guiding the handcuffed perpetrator to the Koboko police station. The astonishing twist here is, his hands were ensnared not by conventional cuffs, but by a swarm of bees. Amazing, isn't it? As the peculiar procession unfolded, onlookers and police personnel couldn't contain their excitement. Phones were hastily drawn to capture the surreal scene. Remarkably, the bees exhibited an extraordinary calm, refusing to take flight or deliver a single sting to the apprehended robber or the curious bystanders. Some spectators even labeled this uncanny occurrence as African magic on social media. What are your thoughts on the mysterious woman using a swarm of bees as makeshift handcuffs to apprehend the robber in Uganda? Do you find the unconventional arrest method involving bees captivating, or do you think it's too bizarre for law enforcement? How would you react if you witnessed such a unique spectacle of a robber being led to the police station with hands enveloped in a mound of bees? Is this African magic arrest a creative and innovative approach, or do you believe traditional law enforcement methods should be strictly adhered to? Considering the bystanders' excitement and the lack of aggression from the bees, do you think there might be more to this unconventional arrest than meets the eye? Now, you can watch the video and share your thoughts.
No bullet, you are
namna tunatembea sahi bado tunashaka sasa ngoma sasa tunafaa sasa tulie kidogo ya pole kama kuna mambo kwa hata ukaa chini hata kuona mahali
Hello? Yeah. La vue sur la feuille dans le lien. Dans le cas où il y a ça, dans le tac dans soit mon moto, tac dans le mais la voix, la loi, voilà la boca.
Kilo, ngara ino la yesu, mamelo lejie.